Hi, this is Ross with Protect Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're starting a 3-car with baseboard in Odessa. So we've been grinding on this floor, as you can see here in this section. We've already run over it with coating removal tools. There was quite a bit of coating on here. You can see we started prepping for the baseboards. So on this job we have to grind it twice. So in this section we've already done the PCD tools to remove the coatings, and there were several. And now we're switched back to diamonds on the floor grinder, and that's what Chuck's doing now, and he's cutting that cap. But this floor is very difficult to grind. As you can see, we're removing a lot of material, but we're going to have to go back and hand grind quite a bit too, because there's a lot of valleys. So what Lauren's doing here is she's doing in the edges, while Chuck is doing the other double bay. And along these aprons, we're also going to clean them up and poly them in too. Got a little bit of rain, but at least it's not blazing hot. So in this segment, you can see that we're removing a lot of material off this floor. We're really cutting that cap off after getting all the coatings off. But this floor was a bear to get this far and to continue with this. And then despite that, there were still a lot of valleys that were left over that we had to go back and in the end pick up with the hand grinder. So again, you can see the material coming off. There's also material going up the vacuum. And we're still just cutting. Okay, our prep is all done. This this grind was definitely a bear. As you saw in the previous segment, there was a lot of material that came off this floor, but we just had to do a lot of hand grinding as well, pick up valleys and stuff. So one of the things you can see here is the apron. We did grind it for the customer. They're not going to chip it, but we ground it back just to neaten it up because it was pretty rough. There was a lot of different paint colors and stuff like that on there, so we're going to poly that in too. That's going to protect the concrete. It'll just give it a better appearance. You can see Chuck is raring to go. He's ready to put the thickened epoxy up on the baseboards in the verticals. So this is a 3-car with baseboards. This color is going to be saddle tan. Okay, here we are. We're all finished up with our 3-car with baseboards. Job looks great. Homeowner's happy. We're happy. Everybody's happy. So there were no control joints on this job, so we didn't have to fill them. Just some minor repairs. A few cracks, nothing, no big deal. As you saw in the previous segments, this grind was a bear. Just kept on grinding and grinding. And then we had to go back with hand grinders and pick up all the valleys to get all the material off the floor, all the previous coatings. This color is saddle tan. And here's where we cleaned up the aprons and put a double coat of poly on there. That's definitely going to seal from the driveway into the garage. Just cleaned up. It just looks a lot nicer.
Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.